Baby Jack has found his feet, finally. But he's so fat that he can barely grab them. He's certainly trying. He looks like a toddler. Get those feet, buddy. Hi, cutie. With a B of damage from the Callan through Harlingen and into Brownsville, and that's actually just kind of a swipe at it compared to what obviously what Katrina caught. Exponentially more damage. Hi. All right, Chad. Thanks, Chad. Well, they are on the same list. Can you put those feet in your mouth? There we go. The first foot in the mouth. First time. Good job. Get that foot in your mouth. Grab it. Get it in your mouth, buddy. Oh, yay! Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, baby boy. Good job. Ooh. Close up and success.